Dear Diary, today I went out on a date with her. We picked up some food from Sai's and went to the beach. It was meant to be the perfect date. But the weather is nice. The sea is calm. உனக்கு ஏதாச்சும் பிரச்சனை இல்லாட்டி நான் இங்கே ஒரு தம் அடிக்கலாமா?
It's not fair for you to get mad at me right now. Asked you beforehand, right?
It's not just about today though, is it? It's the same thing every day. You've just made it your life's mission to smoke your way to death. You know what? I can't go through this yet again.
Now stop. We need to talk this out. We can't keep arguing like this every time I smoke. There has to be a way out.
There is! Stop smoking!
You know I can't do that. It's my escape from reality. There are a few times in my life where I feel at peace. It's when I smoke. I know there are probably other ways to do it, but I'm in too deep now. I can't stop.
I just can't be with someone who smokes, Karan. I imagine a future with you. I imagine us having a house, maybe a few kids, and a life together. You just never understand. I don't want to live my 40s taking care of you in a hospital.
So what do you want us to do now?
I think it's high time that you set your priorities straight. I used to be your escape from reality, Karu. I guess none of it matters to you now. You have to make a decision.
You know I can't make that choice.
Then I guess you have your answer. Happy fucking freedom to you.
I made the wrong choice that day. If only I was mature enough back then.
I think it's high time that you set your priorities straight. I used to be your escape from reality at one point, Karu. I guess none of it matters to you anymore.
It does matter to me. Nana, you're the most important thing in my life. Every time I think about you, I thank the universe for putting you into it. Do you know about my situation? Please don't make me choose now. You know about my life, you know about my friends, my family, you know about all the hardships I'm facing. Please don't make me choose.
Are you serious about me? Are you serious about us?
Of course I am. How could you ask me that?
If you're really serious about us, then you should realize that a lifetime worth of happiness with me is worth way more than a few minutes of escapism that you're finding right now.
How do you know? I made a huge mistake today. I did what I chose in life. Failure. I should have trodden down the other path.